So in this video, you'll learn how to change the restrictions in parental control on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've currently set a restriction and you want to customize it to something completely different, then the first step is to just navigate to your settings menu. Once you're in your settings menu, scroll and select Parental Controls. And then from here, choose Change Settings. Enter in the current PIN that you're using for Parental Controls. And then you should see this menu appearing on your screen. So the next step is to simply choose the option, Change Settings, and then you can see all the customizations that you can now add to your parental controls mode. So currently my restriction level is set to custom, which means I've customized how I want it to be. But if you tap on it, you have different options available. You have teen, you have child, you have young child, and as well as custom. So you can choose whichever limit you would prefer. And you'll notice with each choice, it comes with its own preset restrictions, such as restricted software levels, content rating system, all sorts of things. So it's up to you to decide which option you would prefer to use. And if you're switching, say for example, from young child to custom, then you'll notice you can actually customize it to the exact specifications that you need. So have fun with the customizations. And then when you're happy with your choice, just tap on save, confirm your setup is complete, and now you'll start using parental controls with the new restrictions that you've just added. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.